cycling is like a marriage between a bicycle, which is a machine, and the cyclist, which is a human. The bicycle is, in a sense, adjustable to adjust to the human's body size, and the human's body will adapt to the settings of the bicycle. Okay, that's cycling. It's a marriage between a human and a machine. Okay, to do a proper bike setting, we will need to get the cyclist on the bike. To have the right saddle, right, or bike setting, you have to put the heel on the pedal and the leg should be straight and not bent like this. This is wrong. So we will make the seat a bit higher to get this leg straight. Okay? Okay. So now we're going to undo the saddle quickly and then we're going to raise it a bit. See, it's almost straight. Okay. So now your leg is straight. This is a correct setting of a saddle height. This knee should be straight. So now then you move your foot, your front foot, onto the pedal to get this slight bend in here. Okay? From a straight leg. Okay, this is a straight leg, you just move your foot. You use your front pedal, so you have this bend. This is a proper setting of saddle height. If the saddle is too low, you won't have the full stroke of your foot. Okay. So straight foot, and then you move your front foot onto the pedal, and you will have your slight bend in your knee. Okay. The easier way to measure is to check where your waist is or where your belt is. The saddle should be in line with your waist. It's a quick measurement. Okay. That's what I do.